I made it! Look at the water, man.
Grandpa, my great grandpa. Your great grandpa. Yes.
Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your baby girl P to the A to the T to the T, PATT Eyaba, and welcome to my village vlog. Yes sir.
But it's not far from the road yet, sir.
Guys, we are in another part of the village. It's a typical village, baby. So we are coming to see my auntie, my aunt. So let me turn the camera over so that you guys will see her.
So it's not chicken, it's only chicken meat small. This grass is pointy, I need you. Oh my god, this thing's actually painful.
Maria, shift with your uku, come out. No girl uku, they intimidate everybody.
It's actually paining my bum. Why is that?
It's very sharp.
Yeah, very sharp.
How come Zoe is not complaining?
Zoe is not complaining. I don't know why, maybe she cannot.
Hi guys, so still on our Christmas celebration. We are at my auntie's house, and this is a yam barn. This is like a storage, but this is for yams alone. But there are no yams here yet because they have not harvested. They are going to harvest by February. But look at it. Come and take a look at it. Whoa, look at it and see. But they've not even finished. They're supposed to be like they will do like staircase, storage. They would separate it, so it will be very nice. And this one you can see is still light. When they finish with here, even rain will not be able to penetrate in. And this is where they will store all the yams and the one they will plant in the next season. So guys, we are African and we are proud, and we are Nigerians and we are proud. I hope your Christmas is going well. If you don't have food, drink water. Even water is still an essential commodity. So guys, and this is a well where we draw water from. Oh, this one is actually full. Let me draw water for you guys to see. I've lived in the village before. Forget packaging.
You guys, this way.
Okay, so I'm drawing the water. I made it! Look at the water, man. I made it, see. And the water is very clean. Let me see if it's salty. It's not salty, and they say Okpoma water is salty. So guys, voila, I made it. So you can use this water to cook, you drink it. They've been drinking this water for ages and nothing has happened to them. But still, all these children we brought from the village, they're doing this one now. Tomorrow they will go to the hospital. But this water is actually healthy. Nothing happened to it. So guys, still our Christmas celebration. Let's go to the other part and see what is happening there.
Have you seen your children the water from the well?
Even this is where they fed the water from the well. Let's find another container and pour this one.
Let her
Not dirty.
Not dirty. Okay. You don't just use it to cook rice. I was going to say no. Please, for the sake of security reasons. Come out from there.
Inside. They will know. I'll do it. Sheep. So now you fresh water.
That's how you get your clean water from.
That's the water.
Let me video.
Can you use it to cook?
Imagine you can enter there and swim.
No, you cannot enter. Close it.
You know what's under there?
But
You
they're
know
using water inside.
what is under? It's shallow.
That is water.
It's water.
Clean water. That means you can drink everything.
So you guys, this is the first time of all of you coming to the village.
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah.
Yes.
I came when I was very small.
Thank God. You can leave. You can leave.
Are you going around somebody's house? Yes. Yeah. They've harvested the whole of this place.
I don't know why exactly.
Oh, they keep it there. Yeah, but it's like get some of them. I'm good.
Live where?
Let's go
to the house.
Where's river?
Around there. Here's one of my film people. No, we don't touch it.
And now we are about to plug orange. Oh, fresh orange. You push see goats there. Oh. You seen it?
What's that? Orange.
It's orange.
Mama, I want to try.
Let her do that. You people will do. You will not know the ripe one. It's the ripe one. Then we pick it. See one by on the floor. Ooh. See one. And this is a goat farm. This is native goat. Ekora, let me see. Whoa. Don't do.
Abdul, come here, sis. Oh, don't come.
Continue.
Okay, guys, so the village time is not easy. You do hard labor, do underdeveloped technology, and plugging of orange, and other things like this. See plenty orange, I pluck, and they're heavy.
Go and do malt now. You like
New
malt?
type of malt. Learn new one. That's not the new type. Yes, now it's malt.
Guys, come and
Ekora,
take
bring,
malt.
let me test.
Me, I don't want more.
See, now it's malt. This malt.
Let me test. Eh? Let me test.
Few moments later.
That's my father. Your own grandpa. His mother. You, that's my own grandma. Do you understand?
That's where grandma used to stay.
She was staying here.
So she's dead.
She was staying
This
here.
house is more than
She was
40
here, she
years
stayed.
old.
That time when I was in university, whenever I come around to visit, she will not be saying.
Leave that chicken, you will kick them now.
I'm not
She
kicking
will
them.
dance and sing. Then I'll not give her money. She will be happy. Then grandpa used to stay here too. My own grandpa. My own grandpa used to stay here.
Like grandpa, like your
My
dad.
own grandpa
Oh, grandpa, his father's father.
His father worked here.
used to stay here.
Was he dark or fair?
Was tall, slim,
No,
fine,
fell down.
Oh, no.
dark. Very cheap. Forgot what. Yeah, you have fallen off. You like this now.
Daddy, who built the house?
Grandpa, my great grandpa, your great grandpa. Yes, yes. So all year, the lady I was staying here had passed on. But
We're very, very proud of it.
Mommy, I want to catch.
Don't catch. What's the way that is standing?
come with your style. Style. Gele.
Uncle Abe.
What is that?
Sorry. Look at a video local kitchen. No bed. So guys, I'm still in the village and this is Annabelle, my bestie. Fine girl Annabelle. Annabelle, how old are you? Aji age wani? Eh?
7 years.
Annabelle is 7. Wow. So we are still on our village tour. This is Okpomayala, local government of Cross River State. So guys, come with me. Fridge. This is a local fridge. Nabila, this is a local fridge. Fridge. But this is a local fridge.
Can we get a cook?
No, they put water. When you want
Don't
to
we need
drink.
this away?
It's pretty hot.
No, it's cold.
It's cold. Why don't we have this at home?
It cannot be cold. It cannot be hot. It's cold.
Why can't we have this at home?
So people, this is the end of today's episode of PATT Eyaba, my village vlog. Hope you're enjoying 2024 so far. It has been an amazing year and it's going to favor all of us. So guys, do where to subscribe, like and comment. Is your baby girl P to the A to the T to the T. Peace out.